welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria, so happy that you guys are here. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. Today I will be showing you how I made sorrel. Sorrel is a famous drink in Jamaica. It's their traditional Christmas drink. There is no Christmas complete in Jamaica without sorrel under dinner table. Now all you need is just a few ingredients to make this sorrel, and guys, stay and watch this video until it finishes. When I said sorrel is easy to make, sorrel is really easy to make. This is just ABC 1, 2, 3. All you need is some. Boil your water to a boil. Make sure that you sift through your sorrel, especially if your sorrel is dry sorrel like mine, and just pick through just in case there is a piece of paper or trash in it. You just want to pick it out and run your sorrel under your cold water for roughly 5 minutes, and then just pour this in your water. Would come to a boil, turn off the stove, let it sleep for 2 hours, or if you want to have it overnight, you can just let it cool down and let it stay in your fridge for overnight and make your sorrel the next day.
So for my ginger, I am going to just put this baby in my juicer and juice it so I have 100% of ginger juice to add to my sorrel. There's another way of doing it by just cutting up your ginger, put it in the boiling water with your sorrel and cover it up. Beautiful and rich. I'm going to use my sorrel remains to make sorrel cake. I will be transferring the sorrel drink to my blender. I'm not blending it. I just need a blender to stir the sugar to sweeten the sorrel. How rich and beautiful this is. Make sure your sorrel turn out this way. So my rum, 2 tablespoonful. My ginger, 1 tablespoonful, and my sugar, which is 2 cups of sugar. Do not worry and say it's a lot. It's not a lot. I will be adding ice to it to keep the sorrel cool and tasty and rich and amazing. So the blender just allows the sugar to dissolve a lot faster and easier, but there's always the manual way if you sweeten your sorrel. Now this is sorrel. This is how your sorrel is supposed to look. Dark red, rich.
I told you it was very easy to make. Look how rich the sorrel is. It is pure, rich, and this is how you make your sorrel drink. Now all my ingredients will be in my description box, along with all my social media, so you can say hi to me on Instagram and hello on Facebook and like my face. And don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment below, share this video, and if you are new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, hit on the red subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so when I upload new videos, you'll get a notification from my home to your home. Happy holiday and Merry Christmas! Tasty.
Rocks, hills, and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat.